we just got a package, so I am super excited. Drawing it on a sketchboard to sending out and making it and actually having it and holding it in person, it's a different type of feeling. But before we get into that, I kind of want to show you the behind the scenes and how we even got here. So
don't you get too scared, just grab your thunder buddy and say these magic words.
I went on the internet and typed in Fiverr. I went through design after design, rejecting several from different artists, until I finally find the one that clicked with me. I got a notification of a submission of another design. I had a double take on it because this was the one. I just sent over and spent I kind of went over budget. I'm not gonna lie to you. I got impatient and I paid for 2 samples, one from one manufacturer and 2 from another. Where there were instances where I didn't know any better and I would just send them whatever I had and I let them figure it out, right? That's not how it works. In a tech pack, a specific blueprint of what you're asking for. Now, in this tech pack, it's gonna be all your inspirations, all your examples, the sizes, colorway in a Pantone colorway to be exact. The features or attributes of what you're creating. One manufacturer said 120. Cool, done, right? The other manufacturer in the higher end was all like, oh, it's 200. $80 more, right? But it's like best value. You know what the craziest thing is? Just to give you, not to spoil it, but the 200 was more giving on what I was looking for than the 120. Hopefully at the end of this video, you will get to see what the plushie looks like. I can't stress this enough. When you build your tech pack, be sure to be very specific on what you want. But because the manufacturer saw it as it, or that like face value wise, they made it as what the picture showed. So I didn't explain to them, oh hey, although it's not in the tech pack, just be sure shrink the dragon, shrink the bottle so it could be even on all 4s, right? We're actually gonna unbox this. I made a plushie for my clothing brand Regalado. So, oh, that's crazy. It looked bigger in the photo they said. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this is the perfect size, dude. Oh dude. Hell the fuck yeah, dude. Oh dude. Yeah, man. Wait, I thought it was magnetized, no? Oh, it's... Oh! Yes, so this, what I made was a plushie. This is what it is. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. And it gets to hold it. And we made the bottle. Oh, yeah. And because what's cool about it, it's magnetized, so it could hold different types of bottles or any accessories. In this case, it's holding a soju bottle. So this is tight, dude. This is fucking sick. Yeah. Dude, this is raw. The detail on this, dude. What the fuck? The Asian blush when you're buzzed, or the Asian glow. Yeah, man. Bruh. This is tight. This is tight. This is tight. This is tight. I wanted to update you guys and say thank you from the bottom of my heart. I didn't expect this much feedback. I didn't expect this much positive feedback when I told you guys about it. I do want to let you know though that Ryu is a pre-order item. This means he's in production last Monday. And so case point, it's going to take some time. If you believe in me and trust the process, I am giving you the top quality and materials is available and what they have to offer. I'm pulling out all the stops to ensure it gets delivered to you sooner than expected. So again, I will update you in future videos along the way. So there's no drop-offs, there's no miscommunication. regarding about this. First 100 people who buys Ryu gets a special box that comes with it. Make sure you grab Ryu while you still have a chance. Once these sell out, these are gone.
Call me in the middle of the night when I'm stuck inside my mind, wishing we could start over.